Alright, in this video we are going to discuss volume of a solid somehow constructed from the cross-sectional squares. Here is the problem. Let us visualize it and then compute the volume of the solid obtained by that. So let's say this is your y-axis, let's say this is your x-axis, and then we are forming a circle. So base will be a circle. So let me draw this circle. I can draw it well. As you see, it is not easy with the pen. Okay, decent one. And then at each point y, okay, at each point, we look at a perpendicular plane crossing the y-axis. So, and then just the crossing, and then the legs will be on the circle, and then you just make a square, and then you look at the square in here, and then from at another point y you combine this two with this, and then you form a square again, and then look at the area of this, and then you repeat this process at every y. So at this point you make it, you draw this, and then make a larger, of course, larger square, and then find the area of this and so on, and then put those things together. If you do it in here, for example, so eventually you will form a shape, you will generate a shape like this. Solid. If you repeat this process at every point, you will have rectangular. So in here, like rectangles, it's like hard to draw everything. So in a sense, the solid is in here, the area of these squares. What's this square? Let's focus on this closely. For example, in here, let's say take this y point, because this circle is, let's say, x squared plus y squared equals 9. And we have this point here. In this case, if this is point y, if this is y, so that would be the point on x-axis. These would be the points. So this would be, if you solve for x in here in terms of y, plus minus 9 minus y squared. So that one is 9 minus y squared. That point is negative 9 minus y squared. Okay, let us draw a square and then see what's going on there. So we have a square like this. One side is like this, point is like this is 0. This one is negative as a point, 9 minus y squared. This is 9 minus y squared. So the length of this side is 2 times 9 minus y squared, right? And similarly, the length over here is 2 times the 9 minus y squared. So if I want to calculate the area of this shape, a of y, a of y turns out to be the product of these two sides, so 4 times root, so root times root, you can cancel the roots, and then write 9 minus y squared. Okay, so this is a of y. So I know that y changes between negative 3 and 3 in this question. So if I integrate this area, I will find the volume, right? Volume is the integral of area with respect to y, and then y changes from negative 3 to 3. Okay, it's not a difficult one. So this would be from negative 3 to 3, 4 times 9 minus y squared dy. And if you compute this, is 144. That's it.